Do you need to be able to replace your Citroen C1 number plate light bulb or Peugeot 107 number plate light bulb? Let me show you two ways that you can get at the bulb to replace it. This method may or may not work for you. If you lift the light up and then use your plastic trim removal tool, the light unit can be prized out. That's on the right hand side light. On the left hand side light, pull it down and prise the top out. They're the same light unit, fitted on both sides, but the other way up on one side to the other. Now if you're really lucky, when you take this lamp unit out with the bulb holder still in it, if there's enough slack on the harness behind, you'll be able to work on it here to change the bulb. However, there isn't enough slack, so I'm going to have to work on mine from behind, and you may have to do the same. If you reach up round behind the bumper to the back of the number plate lamp, past the exhaust, if you're on the right hand side, this is what you're looking for. The black part is the rear of the lamp unit, and the grey part that you can see is the bulb holder. But I'm going to show you how to do it with the unit off the car like this for clarity. If you're reaching up behind, you need to take hold of the lamp holder, twist it anti-clockwise about 1/8 of a turn or so, and then it simply pulls out. Now the type of bulb that will be in here is this type, W5W. This one, it's all black round the top. That's because the filament has burned out inside. A new one, of course, is nice and clear. Now because this is not a CAN bus car, if you wish, you can use an LED bulb in its place. Before you put it all back together, be sure to check that you've got the LED bulb in the right way around, because they're polarity dependent, and these W5W bulbs just push into place. Put the bulb holder back into the back of the lamp, twist clockwise 1/8 of a turn, and it's locked into place. If you've taken the lamp body out of the bumper and you want to put it back in, on the right hand side put the top in first, on the left hand side put the bottom in first, push up and push the bottom into place and release. In the case of the left hand one, it's the opposite, push down, push the top in. On one side of the lamp holder there's a fixed clip, on the other side a flexible clip. When you're pushing the lamp holder up or down, if it's the left side, it's that flexible clip that you're flexing in order to release the fixed clip from the notch in the bumper. A word of caution, LED bulbs in the number plate lamps are road legal as long as you use white, daylight white, cool white it's sometimes called, or warm white, which is the sort of more yellowy white. If you use any coloured bulbs, then they are not road legal and will fail your MOT or inspection. That's it. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below. See you next time.